Hi Crazies! Today we're going to make a Naruto Ichiraku Ramen. Let's get started. Okay, let's begin. Measure one spread of the line thread and cut it carefully. This is the pork that we're gonna use. For pork chashu, we just roll the pork like this, then tie it. We need a little bit of hand force, Crazies. We can ask some help from our parents or brother and sister. Then tie it. Look at the meat, Crazies. Now let's marinate our meat. Add 2 spoons of sugar, 1 small bowl of cooking sake, 1 small bowl of oyster sauce, and mix them together. And rub it, and rub it, and rub it, and rub it. Then let's put the rolled chashu on the pressure cooker. Reminder, Crazies, we need the adult supervision here. Pressure cooker is dangerous. So be more careful and ask help, please. Now let's boil the egg. When the water is boiling, put the eggs carefully. Then stir it for 1 minute. Then let it boil for another 5 minutes. Total of 6 minutes cooking time. Let's put it in chashu sauce overnight. The chashu is done now. Wait, I asked my mom to sear it, Crazies. Look how beautiful the chashu is. Now, Crazies, we're going to make the ramen noodles. First, let's scoop 2 cups of flour. Careful with the flour. Always avoid making a mess. Always remember that. Now make a volcano and form a hole in the center till you see the flat surface. Make sure 1 egg and water will fit in. A pinch of salt. And pour a small amount of water. Now time to make our hands go crazy and sticky. Let's mix the dry and wet ingredients. Use a scraper to scoop the flour and licking liquids properly. Mix and mix until it forms. Don't worry, Crazies, if your hands go sticky, cause before the dough finally forms, our hands will magically go clean. I'm serious, Crazies. That's the power of kneading. Kneading and using the scraper to help our hands pressing. Kneading in 10 minutes, Crazies, will be enough. And you can tell that the dough is done if it's not sticky anymore. Add water little by little to help us form the dough. Check your hands and you'll see the magic that I'm telling you a while ago. Ta-da! Our dough is finally complete. Now get a piece of plastic and put our dough inside and rest it for an hour. Always clean your hands and station, Crazies. After an hour, dust some flour on the flat surface and on the top of our dough and coat it and rub it. It will help us to avoid sticking the dough. Let's cut our dough into 4. Pour some flour and coat it to avoid sticking the dough when we use the roller. We can also add some flour and rub it to the roller to avoid the stickiness. Now, flattening time, Crazies. Reminder, Crazies, always add some flour on both sides, top and bottom, to avoid the stickiness. Avoid making a mess and still reminding you that our flours are not for free. When it's finally thin, fold the dough into 4 or more. Now is the caution part, and we will need help. Adult supervision. But if you know how to use a knife, just do extra careful, okay? Let the knife do the cutting, Crazies. Cut the dough thinly as you can, Crazies. Or if you have extra cash, you can buy online for the flat and cutting dough machine or something. I don't know the name of that, Crazies. Heh, sorry.
Hey, Maki!
Come on, let's boil them now, Crazies. Boil the noodles for 5 to 10 minutes. Our ramen noodles are now ready, Crazies. 2 to 3 scoops of ramen. Come on, let's do the garnishing part. Cut the Naruto Maki.
Hey, Maki!
Careful with the knives. You can put any numbers of Naruto, but for me, 2 will be better. Put some onion springs. It will add flavor to our ramen, Crazies. Let's put the Naruto Maki. Let's cut the egg, and we only need the half, so we can eat the other half if you want to. Add 3 pieces of sliced shiitake mushroom, Crazies. Now chashu, 2 pieces already sliced too. Add 2 pieces of nori. Then last will be the broth. 6 to 8 scoops for me, Crazies.
Hey, Maki!
Our Naruto Ichiraku ramen is done, Crazies. Let's eat! Okay, Crazies, I hope you like this cooking show. See you again next time. Arigato gozaimasu.
Suggest an activity that you want us to do next. Comment down below.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell
to see our newest videos.
Hi, Crazies. Today we're going to make... Okay, Crazies, I hope you like this video. See you again next time. Annyeonghaseyo.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arik.